Hello, my name is Irina Diankova, and I am a certified IFS therapist, approved clinical consultant, and a trainer with the IFS Institute. I'm also a multiple neurodivergent individual, and I would like to invite you to a 2-day workshop that is called Applying IFS with Autistic and ADHD Adults from a Neurodiversity Affirming Lens. So, in this particular event, we will focus on understanding neurodivergent systems better, including how and why they get burdened in their lives. We will also work on adapting our IFS tools to serve this particular population better, and we will talk about what else, in addition to IFS, can be used to support this group's mental health. There will be some interesting exercises and practices with the support of program assistants. So all the details about this workshop are in the comments, in the details, and there will be a number of different workshops offered throughout the next 10 months. I'm really looking forward to being with you and focusing on such an important topic. Take good care. Bye.